In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record customer payments in Zoho Books. We'll go through the full process, from signing in to saving the payment correctly, so you can keep your accounts accurate and your invoices up to date. To begin, sign in to your Zoho Books account. Once you're inside the dashboard, head to the Sales section and select Payments Received. This is where you can view previously recorded payments and create new ones. Next, click the New button to start entering a customer payment. On the payment screen, the first thing you'll want to do is choose the correct customer in the Customer Name field. Make sure you select the right customer profile, since this determines which unpaid invoices will appear for payment allocation. After that, enter the amount received in the Amount Received field. Be careful to type the exact amount the customer paid. If there were any bank charges deducted during the transaction, you can enter those as well, if applicable. This helps ensure your records reflect the actual payment details. Now select the date the payment was received. Using the correct date is important for accurate bookkeeping and reporting. Then review the payment number field. In some cases, Zoho Books may generate this automatically, but you can verify it or edit it if needed based on your company's numbering format. From there, choose the payment mode, such as cash, bank transfer, check, or any other method your business uses. Then select the account where the funds should be deposited in the Deposit to field. This step is especially important for keeping your bank and accounting records aligned. If needed, add a reference number. This can be useful for transaction tracking, especially when you're matching payments with bank statements or other records. You can also configure tax deduction settings if that applies to the payment you're recording. Next, apply the payment to the correct invoices. Under Unpaid Invoices, you'll see any outstanding invoices for that customer. Enter the amount you want to apply to each invoice. Take a moment here to make sure the allocation matches the customer's payment intention, especially if they are paying multiple invoices or making a partial payment. If you want to keep extra internal information, add it in the Notes field. You can also upload supporting documents using Upload File, such as remittance advice or proof of payment. Before saving, review the payment summary carefully. Double-check the totals, invoice allocation, and any optional details you entered. Once everything looks correct, click Save as Paid. That's it. You've successfully recorded a customer payment in Zoho Books. Thanks for watching.